back to my channel. I'm here. I know everyone's been waiting, the YouTube world, to find out the results of from my last video on utilizing God's rule on okra, the discipline and rule of okra. So I do have, as you can see here, there's lots of harvest. And for example, they're very large here. And God's rule really worked. 2 days later, this is 2 days later, here. Now again, I had to harvest all of them off before. All the okra were gone before the video. And there they are. And let me go ahead and clip. Very large. And I do have to cut them because if I don't, they're going to harden up. But just for the video, I want, oh wow, here we are, look at this. Very large. Now, there was nothing here before. They were little tiny okra. And wow, they're sprung up in height. And the harvest is really abundant. And I can go on and on back in the back here. Here. And I'm going to have to cut and continue cutting them off. But as you can see, everything works fine. We did, again, I said that I was going to cry and I'd be happy later. But now, something to be happy for. Good results. Everything's fine. God is awesome, isn't he? Okay.